Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can check your previous comments on YouTube. Say, for example, when you're watching any YouTube video, right? When you're watching any video, if you comment something and you got some previous replies, and after few days, if you want to check those past comments, you can check actually. Open the YouTube application, click on your profile picture at the bottom, see here, bottom, and then click on this settings gear icon at top, see here, this settings gear icon at the top. And here what you'll see is under setting there is an option called manage all history. See here, manage all history, tap on this. This is where all your history is. So I need to verify here. See here, there is a verify button, right? I'll be clicking on verify and I'll verify through my fingerprint. So the verification is successful. I'll be clicking on this interactions here, the third option, and see here under comments and replies, you can just click on this comments and replies, and here is where all your past, even see here, this is where when I commented on a video from 2020, 8th July 2020. So in this way, you can get the past history of your comments and the replies what you got on this YouTube platform. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.